Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Raystar Farms Aquaponics, the heart of perfect farming. I want to update you guys on the present health condition of the birds. My previous video, they were ill, that they were paralyzing. The doctor said it's Merek, said different kind of things, which I explained in that video. So when I improved the potency of the broad spectrum, this is how they look now. They just finished their medication, their 7 days medication, 4 days ago. So this is how they are looking, though they are still on antibiotics, but very mild. So this is the present situation now. I'll keep uploading the videos until they start dropping. Remember, I shared the carton into 2. I gave half to my friend that I told you they all died, remaining 2, and there have been no loss of any kind since then. So keep watching. This is Raystar Farms. These are the turkeys, both the ones being hatched in the farm and the foreign, they are all intact. This is the food I milled for them. It's a super starter. So keep watching Raystar Farms Aquaponics, the heart of perfect farming. And the 2 foreign turkeys that had leg issues as a result of the infection. See one here. See the other one. You can see they are fully standing and walking. What doing is what doing well. I'm happy they are this way now, because the vet doctor said I should discard all the birds and bury them, and I told her that if I can't find a proper solution for these guys, then I'm leaving organic finally, and I'll apologize to everyone I've preached the good news to. So I just want to upload you guys to see how they look now. They completed 4 weeks on Monday. Today is Thursday, so they are 4 weeks and 3 days now. They are less than 5 weeks. They are looking this way because of the stress they went through. The illness and all of that. So keep watching Raystar Farms Aquaponics, the heart of perfect farming. Organic is a win-win. And please do subscribe to my channel. Search for Raystar Farms Aquaponics Nigeria on YouTube and subscribe. Please help me share this video so that others will subscribe to and make that YouTube channel a bomb. I want to use that medium to touch so many farmers and make them know that organic is doable. You can see this for yourself. I'm not editing anything in this channel. I show everything the way it's being done here in the farm. When they were ill, I showed them. In fact, I will tag that video here so that you watch it and see what I mean. So thanks for watching Raystar Farms Aquaponics. After this video, I'll put the way they were looking before for you to understand how far the treatment is working on them. So I'm signing out. This is not just paralysis, this is deformity. Because if it is paralysis, they will only paralyze. But let me show you something now. See this leg? They are still trying to kick. It's bending. You see? It's twisting backward. Take a good close look at it. You see? It is twisting. Look at the joint very well. It is twisting backward. Okay, see? You see it now? The leg is twisting. This is not just paralysis. You see? The leg is twisting backward by its own, and the veins, like the joint, is tough. Okay, let me try to twist it front. Watch. See the pressure I'm adding. See? You see? You see the speed is kicking back. So this is not even paralysis, this is deformity. You see it? You see the way the leg is twisting backward by itself? Watch it closely. You see? You see the kind of a U here is twisting backward by itself. So you don't tell me this is paralysis. This is not vaccine failure. This is hatchery default. They're just deforming. Out of 50, see how many is left. I'm not even sure if the one left here is up to 10 or 15. Just see. This is not. And the way you say this one, if you put it in the feeder, it eats very well. But I cannot be carrying them to the feeder, and I'm not a nursing mother now to be nursing chicken.